Okay. This is the end of the Blue Bear series. For now. You know that's a toy. I'm blinded, Joe. Where my hat? I dropped my hat. This is cowboy. This is cowboy dude. Blue Bear, Nicholas, and Levi. This is the Blue Bear series, and it's about to be continued.